Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have no makeup on, just like eyebrows slightly done, because to be quite honest, I'm lazy and you can see that I haven't been posting any videos, but that'll change because we need to get on with our 5-week giveaway. This week we are on week 3 of 5, I think. No, we're on week 4. We're on week 4. We almost close to the end. So that the whole giveaway, the whole iPhone, whatever, that's gonna happen at like later on in the video, not right now. So in this video, I just wanted to get a few things off my chest. I am making myself the spokesperson of all Venda people right now, okay? I know y'all can relate, but this is not a video for Venda people. It's a video for everybody else. So, but if you're Venda, you can watch because I know you're gonna be saying amen, preach. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. My channel is a jump, positive vibes, it's amazing. So thank you in advance, and yeah, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so in this week's video, basically it's a dear non-Venda people video. It's things that kind of sit here on me. These are things that grind me, that irritate, let me stop saying me, that irritate us, that get to us, that just drive us crazy, okay? And it's offensive and ignorant and whatever. So let's get right into the video, right? So 95% of the time when I meet someone new, this is how the convo goes. Oh my gosh, your name is Makhadzi? Like, man, my mom watches Muvango. Varimini, man, like, you know. Makhadzi, and I'm just there like, I know I'm not gonna be the first person to correct you and tell you that that VH sound is not a V sound, but it's like a slight B sound. It's Makhadzi. Muvango. I mean, like, if you watch the show, it's in the actual intro, like, Muvango, like, you ignorant. And I know I'm not the first person to tell you, because same with, like, Hibiri. What is that, guys? What is Hibiri? Like, there was a whole full-on Facebook fight where people were telling Zulu people, it's not Hibiri, it's Hebari. There's no such thing as Hibiri, Hebari. But no, like, your ego and your ignorance combined are just, you're gonna be out here butchering our languages and expect a cookie for it. But when white people butcher your languages, all of a sudden it's a problem. Hello, Chepo. Like, so annoying. Okay, wait, Chepo's not Zulu, but anyway. And then the next thing they do is be like, oh, so are you mixed? No, you have to be mixed. Like, no, I've seen Venda people. You're way too pretty to be Venda. Do you know how many of us hear that? Do you know how many of us hear that? And y'all think it's a compliment. No, it's not. You think that you can basically shade my entire culture and I'm going to say thank you? Are you dumb? Are you serious right now? Like, I know Muvango shows you like the dark people and whatever, and y'all assume that we all look like that. But every culture has its people. It has its dark people, it has its yellow bone people, it has its red bone people. We're all beautiful, but still, according to society standards, apparently dark, it doesn't equal looking pretty. But y'all gonna act like you guys don't have peach black afros. You guys are gonna act like you guys don't have alvovos. You guys are gonna act like you all walk around looking like Nomzamo Mbata and Mini Tlamini. No, you don't. You don't all look like that. So I don't know why you expect all Venda people to look the same. Like, it's ignorant, it's stupid, and it's just plain dumb. But okay, cool. And we are beautiful people, okay, inside and out. Venda people are very nice people. Don't take me for example. I'm like the slight exception where I'm going to tell you that you're dumb. But yeah, most of us are really nice people. And then you hear this, oh my goodness, so you're from Tate. like everybody assumes that I was born in Venda. There are people that were born in Joburg and can be Venda. Like there are Zulu people born in Joburg and they can be Zulu. It happens. And Venda is not only Tate. Tate is a very small part of Venda, okay? It's like me saying that the whole of KZN is Durban. Actually no, that's a very bad example, but anyway, still you get my point. It's like Venda, and then there's like different villages inside. It's a very beautiful place. You should visit it one time. But yeah, we're not all from Tate, okay? Okay. And then this one irritates me. Oh my gosh, when are you gonna teach me Venda? You should definitely teach me. And then you just, so I become polite and I'm just like, okay, cool. And then you get people that are like, so say something in Venda right now, and it's just like, I am not your show pony. I'm not gonna speak Venda on command. Do you know how many people force me to speak Venda on command for them? Like it's just like say something, and it's just like you are putting me in a very awkward position right now, because I know that you're not gonna understand anything. And besides, let's talk about this. Who taught me Zulu? Who taught me Sotho? Who taught me Tswana? Who taught us, everybody else, who taught us these languages? Why should you be special and have somebody tutor you in a language that you should already know since you live in South Africa in the Rainbow Nation? Like, you should. But anyway, that's a whole nother video. But yeah, no, we are not your show ponies. We are not going to speak Venda for you on command, and we are not going to teach you. We don't all have education degrees. We are not going to teach you. Learn the same way we learn for ourselves. And then you find the people that are like but I didn't grow up around Venda people. I don't grow up around Sotho people. That's why I don't know these languages. And it's just like, you know, Chawero. There are Zulu people staying in Chawero. Chawero is like a little Limpopo. It's like a little Guyana, little Venda. And you get Zulu people that still don't know anything about Venda. They still saying Varmini and expecting a cookie for saying it. Yet they live around Venda people. So yeah, no, that's just very annoying. But yeah. And then you get things like, oh my goodness, true story. This one guy once came up to me and it's like, yo, fam, like course is chowing me really hard right now. Like, can you like maybe call your gran, because you passing, so clearly your gran's magic works. And I'm just like, why are we gonna pretend like Venda people are the only people that know witchcraft? Like, are we all gonna pretend like Africa is not a witchcraft central? Like, are we all gonna act like we didn't grow up watching Ubizo, which was not a Venda show? And that show was scary, you guys. That was when I was first introduced to this witchcraft world and Nigerian movies. So I was offended at the time, but now I'm just like, oh, he's stupid. It's okay. Stupidity is a disease. You can't really get angry at somebody for being stupid. You know what I'm saying? It's like being angry at somebody for having cancer. It's a disease. And then this whole VBS scandal. So now weekend, my friend is like, some guy came up to her and was like, oh, so I see that you moneyed and stuff like that, so I'm guessing that your family was like part of the people that were in the whole VBS thing. And it's just like, people can have money and get it in legit ways, okay? And then like, it's just like, you do realize that not the whole of Venda was implicated in this VBS thing. It was like 4 major families or something like that. And then you still have EFF people that are not Venda people. And it's just like... But like, you start a convo with someone now and they realize that you're Venda and they want to bring up VBS. Like... Are we gonna pretend like there's no Zuma with a 54 million pool or something like that? Or how much was Nkandla 250 million? Are we gonna pretend like that didn't happen? And now should I go around telling every Zulu about Zuma and assuming that they benefit from it as well? Like, the logic, guys, the logic. Like, wow, okay. And then just like a few side notes for my Tsonga people, you know, our cousins. Changan is a slur. people call Venda people Changans as well. And first of all, Venda people and Tsonga people are not the same thing. Okay, Venda people are Venda, Tsonga people are Tsonga people. It's two different tribes. It's like Zulu people and Swati people are separate. Ndebele people and Pedi people are separate. Sotho and Tswanas are not the same thing. Okay. Now that we have that under wraps, calling somebody Changan is a slur. I've been called Changan. It's not nice. Nobody likes it. There's no such thing as Changan in South Africa. It's Tsonga. And y'all know it's a slur because I see it on social media being used to like degrade someone, or when somebody looks dark and you just like, yo, le Changan le, or something like that. And it's just like, okay, so just stop. The same way you don't want white people saying the N word and the K word. Don't say the Changan word. Anyway, on the other side, we are so happy. Look at me being a spokesperson. We are so happy that you guys are very interested in our culture. It's like you guys treat it as if it's some kind of, I don't know, it's like it's not South African. It's just like, oh my gosh, you speak Venda. Yeah, we flattered, but like, don't say stupid stuff. Don't say dumb stuff. Like, don't be ignorant. Don't be like, Venda is so hard to learn. You think Xhosa was easy to learn for me? You think it was easy for me to learn? No, it's not. It's not. But I do it because I live with. And then you get these IEB kids that are just like, you know what, vernac is not gonna help me in the future and in my career, so I'd rather like learn French and Spanish and it's just like, shit, I need a whole video on IEB kids, okay? I need an entire 20 minutes to tell y'all about IEB kids. Anyway, let's get okay, so now we are going to the giveaway. The reason why most of y'all are here, y'all don't come to listen to me rant. The names of last week's giveaway was here. This was the bucket list giveaway, and the winner is Gudani R. What does Gudani want? So I'm on like my YouTube right now just to see what Gudani wanted. Okay, so Gudani wants to go wall climbing and bungee jumping. Well, congratulations for winning, Gudani. My contacts are in the description box, so please contact me. Congratulations. And this week's giveaway is the iPhone 8. Yes, it's a whole iPhone 8. I would say brand new, but the box doesn't have a charger because reasons. But everything else is in there. Like, it's relatively new. Okay, so it's an iPhone 8. All you have to do to enter is, number one, be subscribed to my channel. Subscribe. That is the most important thing. And then number two, in the comment box, write what was your favorite video of mine previously, dating back. And then also write what kind of videos you would want to see me post in the future, what kind of videos you'd like to see me post. And yeah, that is it. It is so easy to enter. Anybody can do it. Subscribe, which video you've liked the most and which video you'd like to see me post, and that's it. Easy peasy. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting, even if I disappear for months. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like. And yeah, good luck. We are gonna announce the winner next week, Thursday. And love you guys. So yes, that was the giveaway. The winner will be announced next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Much love. And yeah, I know this video might come across as if I have issues with Zulu people. I don't. I like Zulu people. I like them. So yes, thank you guys for the support. Mwah, bye bye, and I'll see you guys next week. I promise I will not disappear for months again. Bye.